down? We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
From the Jessica Simpson Collection, offering clothing, accessories, perfume, luggage, and footwear, the former pop singer's shoe line, initially launching in 2005 as a shoe collaboration with Nine West co-founder Vince Camuto, has since become a part of the standalone brand of affordability and sexiness, putting the fashionista in play while adding a stylish touch to the wardrobe. Like what you see? Then like, subscribe, and hit that bell for a reminder to tune in each week for the hottest shoes, reviews, fashion news, and on-feet previews like no other. Your chic profile with these Kelsa 2 ankle strap sandals from Jessica Simpson. Heels adorned by dainty straps with a snake embellishment and eye-catching wraparound ankle tie closure for an elegant look. Now crafted with a directional square open toe, sleek thong strap, synthetic fabric upper lining, synthetic sole of thermoplastic rubber, this sassy, oh so sassy, imported 3-inch heel features sultry snake print straps that wrap around the ankle and far beyond with these, catching eyes as you strut across the room or along the pavement, whichever you prefer. Here in a size 8.5, women's, originally priced at $89 online at jessicasimpson.com, but now on sale for $69.04. I know, 4 cents. I don't get it either. Excluding tax and shipping, comes in the additional colors black sparkle, silver sparkle, and gold sparkle. However, Kelsa 2 ankle strap sandals can also be purchased in the same variety of colors online at Amazon.com, Dealers.com, and Nordstroms.com in varying pricing as low as $53, again excluding tax and shipping, and upwards to $89 excluding tax and shipping. Fun and nicey, yeah, that's nice and naughty combined. I know, I'm gonna need to create my own dictionary after a while. These sandals are great for a glam night out on the town, worn with a puff sleeve tux or relaxed blazer ensemble, or something a bit more jazzed up like a two-piece pantsuit. Whichever way, you'll be super fly as hell in these darlings. That's right, I said it. They're certifiably super fly, a do-buy. As any which way you wrap these babies, you'll be wrapped right and tight. sexy, trendy, true to size, while both supportive and comfortable for evening wear at a low price point. The Kelsa 2 ankle strap sandals aren't bad at all. I say that they aren't bad at all because I'm not that big of a fan of the between the toes thong strap, but for evening wear only, I could pull it off without much fuss. And while the dramatic tie length straps can possibly be a pain as they are never ending, they can also actually be considered an added bonus for switching up a look. What you think? You like it? Let me know. Anyway, here's a closer look at the Kelsa 2 ankle strap sandals by Jessica Simpson.
Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. In no ring, but ain't gon' need no misses.
Hey superheroes, I have a question for you. Do any of you happen to have $65 million handy? No, I'm not begging for money. I'm wondering, as Jessica Simpson surely does, as she is offering $65 million to buy her brand out of bankruptcy. Okay, let me say that in plain English. Jessica Simpson is currently offering $65 million to buy back her brand out of bankruptcy in a last-minute offer to grab her brand before the company that owns it files for bankruptcy protection. According to the New York Post, over the past 6 months or so, Jessica Simpson has been trying to raise enough funds to buy her 16-year-old brand back from the licensing company Sequential Brands Group, who filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection this past August 31st. According to reports in bankruptcy court, Sequential's lawyer revealed that Simpson had indeed reached a tentative deal with the company to pay $65 million for her brand just one day before the company filed for bankruptcy protection. Accordingly, she and her family want to become the stalking horse bidders for the brand, which includes a children's clothing line and shoe line, as well as home goods. Apparently, Simpson's mother and sister Ashley Simpson started the company together and have remained hands-on and involved in the marketing and advertising, which even recently features Simpson's very own daughters. In a statement to the Post, a Simpson spokesperson said, quote, Jessica and her mother, Tina Simpson, are indeed in discussions to buy back 62.5% of the Jessica Simpson lifestyle brand, of which they own the remaining portion, end quote. Sequential bought the rights to the entertainer's brand in 2015 when it forked over $117 million for a 62.5% stake in the company. Now I ask you, superhero, if you have $65 million, do you spend it on the company to buy back the company that you once owned and sold for $117 million? Or do you take the $65 million and go create a whole nother brand? I'm just wondering, as it is reported there are no guarantees that Simpson will get her brand back. Now that Sequential will likely be holding an auction to solicit the highest bidders for the 7 brands it owns, which also includes Joe's Jeans, the activewear brand Avia, Spree, and One, and William Rast, which I believe William Rast is owned by Justin Timberlake, if I'm not mistaken. Anywho, again, superheroes, I ask you, you have $65 million. Do you take it and buy back the company that you once owned, as opposed to let it go to auction, let another company own it, and you continue on as you will with the smaller percentage that you own, and then take the $65 million you have and go create another brand altogether? Tell me your thoughts on that one. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.